press and shake.
Hey guys, welcome to Mike's Camera. This is Winn. I'm down on the sales floor. We're actually going to take a look at a brand new product that just launched today. It is the Sony ZV-1. It's the new vlogging camera that they have. We're going to unbox it and take a quick look at it and share with you some of the really cool features that it's got. This is actually really cool because doing a lot of the vlogging that we've done, that I've done personally and we've done in the store, I'm very interested in this because this might be a really cool option for us. It's already a lot lighter than the RX100 on which it's based. There it is, guys. That's really tiny. Look at that. That's fantastic. Dedicated video record button, really big up here, which is really cool. It does have the same lens that the RX100 had, so it's the 1.8 to 2.8 small zoom 24 to 80 thing right there. Of course, the big news is it does have that full flip around screen just like that. So we've got that. I can see there, I can see there. That's fantastic. Yeah, very, very light in the hand. Still uses the same Z battery there, the BX battery actually, if I remember correctly. A lot of really simple button designs, which is really cool. It does have this dedicated mic in on the top, and it looks like we've got our mic dead cat here as well, which is really awesome. Doesn't come with a lot in the box, just a battery, a charger cable, and this. So very, very minimal. I like the fact that it has this new kind of knurled grip on the side, which will make it really easy to hold on to, which is going to be really fun. And then also, obviously, performance-wise, it's basically an RX100 Mark VII internally. Not quite all the features of the photo camera, but everything that we've got for video and on, 4K at 30 frames per second, and on it goes from there. It is a 1-inch sensor, so it's going to be great in low light. That's going to be really, really cool. Yeah, it's going to be very interesting. There is the one cool thing that they're talking about, which is that it has the face profile tracking mode in this. I don't remember exactly what it's called, but basically the gist of it is not only will Sony use its face tracking and eye detecting autofocus, it's actually going to meter for whatever that face in focus is. So it's going to track and try to meter like a spot meter on the focus area that it is tracking. So as you can imagine, for vlogging, if you are just focusing on somebody's face, your own or somebody else's, you're not going to have to worry about exposure metering and trying to manually expose. It'll actually do it for you during live recording and during video, which is going to be really cool. This is the other side of it. This is the Sony Vlogger kit. We're going to pull this out here. This is basically a built-in controller handle tripod combination, which is really cool. If you want just one handle, one hand grip that'll do the whole thing, this looks to be very, very interesting. It's a little big. The funny thing is it actually seems to weigh more than the camera, which is kind of incredible. But we see this, so we got, we have this break apart tripod system, tabletop tripod system, which is really interesting. But then it is basically built in. If I attach it down like this, I've got a zoom in, zoom out button, a photo, a record movie button, and a lock and a custom function button on this, so I can actually hold it out just like this. And if we switch that around, we can just do that, see, from any angle. And obviously it's not limited to just one. I can switch that around and shoot forward and then just shoot like this. So everything's going to work very well as a vlogging camera with that mic adapter on the top. For mic recording, audio recording, that's going to be really, really great. That's quite a neat little package, if we're honest. That's super, super small. And super, super interesting. Also, of course, it doesn't have all of the ports that you would expect on like a pro video camera, but the most important one that I can see is it does have a mic jack input on the side, and it does have a hot shoe. So see, theoretically, you could attach a shotgun mic to this. I know, being as small as it is, that seems kind of non-intuitive, but actually that could be really helpful. And obviously with the screen on the side, it doesn't get in the way of the hot shoe at the top, so we can keep the shotgun out of the way of everything. Pricing on this is pretty incredible. This is going to be $799, I think, at the end of the deal, but right now the launch deal is $749. This little tripod thing that we're looking at here, this is regularly $150, but if you buy it with this in a bundle for a limited time, you get it for $50. So that's a huge deal for that. So yeah, for $800 as a vlogging setup, that's kind of the best there is right now. Nobody else has really had this level of performance in this package so far. So I'm really excited to try this out. We're going to charge this up and maybe shoot something with it and give you a taste of that, possibly. So Sony ZV-1, everybody. Super, super cool. Hope you come in and check out this. This is available right now here in the Boulder store and online. It'll be at our other stores around the state and in California on Wednesday. So if you want one, make sure to get in line. These are sure to go really, really fast. Happy shooting.